My top tip for teachers is something I call a bridging question. We've already seen how science can investigate questions about the natural world, and we've seen how history is a discipline which investigates questions about the past. There are some questions that we can deliberately ask in the classroom, which are good for both disciplines. And those questions, those bridging questions, give us a chance to compare two different disciplines and how they can work together. Okay, so here's the one that is a bit of a favourite for me. I've written about it many times, and so have my colleagues. It's why did the Titanic sink? Now, I've attached with this webpage an article if you want to read more. In the article, you'll see more about the model that we made to investigate the question scientifically. Actually, if you want to do this at home, you don't even need a carefully made model. All you need is a paper cup. Make a hole in the side with a paper clip or something like that. Cover the hole over with some sticky tape, put it in water and weight it down so that it sort of sits in the water a bit like a boat. And then when you're ready, peel off the sticky tape, water goes in, cup will sink. Perfect model of the Titanic. All right, so there's how we could investigate scientifically using models to understand what happens as the water comes in and displaces the air. What about investigating historically? How can we investigate this question historically? Well, in that case, we're going to be looking at secondary sources. We're going to be looking at eyewitness accounts, at weather reports, at diary entries, at letters. In other words, we might be looking on the internet. So there you'll want to be remembering your good research skills, only going to websites that you trust.